Yo! What's up, everybody? It's Christmas time, and today I've got something actually insane for you guys. There is a brand new promo code right now that gives you a free legendary champion, Cheshire Cat. No grinding, no luck involved, nothing. So in this video, we're going to break down this promo code, how you can claim it, and why Cheshire Cat is honestly a really fun and solid champion to add to your roster. If you like free stuff, and I know you do, you're definitely going to want to stick around. All right, let's not waste any time. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the actual video, I gotta tell you, if you've been thinking about checking out Raid Shadow Legends, or maybe starting a fresh account, this is the perfect time to do it. Just use my special link down in the description. You'll start off strong with Elenaril as your sign-up legendary. And if you use the promo code Desert Queen, you'll also get 2 Hanarak, another crazy legendary champion, completely free. And that's not all. They've even tossed in some awesome epic champions as you level up. So seriously, what are you waiting for? Go grab Raid using the link below, jump in, and support the channel. All right, now, let's get into the video. So first things first, let's talk about the promo code itself. The code is all caps, KITTYCUT. Just punch that in, and boom, you get a free legendary champion, Cheshire Cat. And trust me, this isn't some throwaway free champ. This guy is actually really good. Now let's quickly talk about who Cheshire Cat actually is, because his story is kinda wild. So basically, Cheshire Cat was guiding Alice on her journey through Teleria, just doing his usual mysterious, playful thing. And then, out of nowhere, he straight up vanishes. Alice thinks it's just another one of his tricks, but nope, turns out a demon from the underworld pulled him into the shadows. And that's where things go dark. His creepy grin turns straight up sinister. His body becomes monstrous, and now we're looking at a demonized version of Cheshire Cat. No more playful guide. This guy is fully corrupted. In-game, Cheshire Cat is a legendary attack champion from the Demon Spawn faction, and honestly, that already tells you a lot. He's built to deal damage, he looks insane, and for a free legendary, this is actually crazy value. Now let's talk about what Cheshire Cat actually does, because this is where things get spicy. This guy is a straight-up damage dealer, and his entire kit revolves around Perfect Veil. And trust me, he uses it really well. So usually, you're gonna open with his A3, and right away he self-buffs. He puts Perfect Veil on himself, gets increased attack, and then immediately follows that up with a big AoE smack on all enemies. And here's the fun part. If he gets a kill, he straight up gets an extra turn. Yeah, that's where the snowball starts. This makes him insanely strong in both PvE and PvP, because once he starts rolling, he just doesn't slow down. And it gets even better when you look at his passive. As long as he's under Perfect Veil, he straight up ignores 15% of enemy defense, so his hits just hurt more, period. On top of that, any turn meter fill effects he gets are boosted by 30%, which means he's cycling turns faster, hitting more often, and stacking damage like crazy. And the best part? He's not even squishy. If an attack would drop his HP below 20%, he automatically pops block damage, which basically says, nah, I'm not dying yet. That little bit of built-in survivability keeps him in the fight longer and lets him keep dishing out damage. So yeah, for a free legendary, this kit is honestly kind of insane. Now let's talk about his A1 and A2, because this is where Cheshire Cat low-key starts flexing. So first up, his Phase Claw A1. Normally, it's a single target hit, but the moment he's under Perfect Veil, this thing turns into a full AoE attack. And here's the nasty part. Every time he uses it, he reapplies Perfect Veil to himself. So once he's veiled, he basically stays veiled. Simple, clean, and honestly kind of annoying for the enemies. This is why he's an absolute menace in Hydra. Since he's constantly under Veil, you can get really creative with sets like Cursed or Provoke, or you can just run him pure damage and let him spam AoEs all day. Either way, he's doing work. And here's the subtle but huge W. Because he's always under Perfect Veil, he straight up ignores the Head of Torment's fear. No babysitting, no external Veil champions, no weird setup. Meanwhile, Hydra's out here trying to be scary, and Cheshire Cat is just grinning and swinging. Now moving on to his Feline Frenzy A2. This is a triple hit single target nuke, and yeah, it hurts. On top of that, it slows the enemy down while speeding Cheshire Cat up by up to 10%. Now before someone gets smart in the comments, yes, this speed manipulation doesn't work on bosses. But against normal enemies, They start moving like it's lagging, while Cheshire Cat just keeps zooming. And it doesn't stop there. If he kills a target with this A2, he throws Perfect Veil on the ally with the lowest turn meter. So not only is he deleting enemies, he's also low-key playing support on the side. That's clutch protection, especially in messy fights. So yeah, this isn't just a press buttons, hope for damage champion. This is a smart, well-designed kit that rewards you for actually knowing what you're doing. And the fact that he's free? Yeah, that's kinda disrespectful to the balance team. Cheshire Cat brings a 19% speed aura in all battles. Not just arena, not just dungeons, everywhere. And speed is king in this game, period. But let's be real, this aura absolutely slaps in arena. That extra 19% speed can be the difference between going first or getting deleted. You pair this with a good speed lead or a turn meter booster, and suddenly you're controlling the fight before the enemy even gets a turn. And the best part? Since it works in all battles, you're not locking him into just one mode. You can run him in arena, PvE, Hydra, wherever, and still get full value from the aura. So yeah, between the speed lead, the damage, the survivability, and the Perfect Veil shenanigans, for a free legendary, Cheshire Cat is honestly punching way above his weight. If you're sleeping on this, that's on you. Alright, now let's talk about his passive ability, because this is honestly the glue that holds his entire kit together, Shadowsmile. So first part of this passive is all about speed and damage, and it's stupidly good. As long as Cheshire Cat is under Veil or Perfect Veil, any turn meter fill he gets is 30% more effective. That means every boost hits harder, he's taking turns faster, cycling abilities quicker, and basically refusing to slow down. Once he gets rolling, good luck trying to catch up. But wait, it gets better. While he's under Veil or Perfect Veil, all of his attacks ignore 15% of the enemy's defense and deal 15% more damage on top of that. So this isn't just a small bonus, this is straight up damage amplification. Tanks, less tanky. Squishy champs, deleted. The numbers don't lie. Now here's the part that really makes him annoying, the active effect. Whenever Cheshire Cat is about to take a hit that would drop his HP below 20%, the game basically says, nah, not today. He blocks that damage completely, then immediately throws block damage and Perfect Veil on himself for one turn. So instead of dying, he survives, goes untargetable-ish, ignores more defense, hits harder, and usually gets another turn because of all the turn meter nonsense. It's disrespectful. Your opponent thinks they've got the kill lined up, and Cheshire Cat just smiles and keeps fighting. This passive turns him from a normal damage dealer into a nightmare to deal with. He's fast, he hits harder than he should, and when you finally think he's done, he just refuses to go down. For a free legendary, this passive alone is kinda crazy. So yeah, let's be honest here. For a free legendary champion, Cheshire Cat is way better than anyone expected. This isn't one of those collect it and forget it champs. This is a champion you can actually build, use, and enjoy. He hits hard, he cycles turns fast, he has built-in survivability, and his entire kit just flows together around Perfect Veil. Whether it's arena, PvE, or even Hydra, he brings real value. The speed aura alone already makes him useful, and once you factor in the damage, defense ignore, and that clutch block damage save, yeah, he's doing a lot. So if you haven't already, use the promo code KITTYCUT, grab your free legendary Cheshire Cat, and actually give him a proper build. And hey, make sure to grab Raid Shadow Legends using the link in the description. It really helps the channel out. And if this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more Raid content, and let me know in the comments if you've already claimed Cheshire Cat and where you're planning to use him. Thanks for watching, enjoy your free legendary, and I'll catch you in the next one.